Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and today we are back with another interesting recipe. We will be making a very easy recipe today. We will be making a chicken and potato cheesy patty burger. We will make the patty, we will make the burger itself, and we will learn how we can make it in a few simple steps. Let's go and let's learn how to go about and produce this incredible dish right now. To begin with, in a bowl, 100 grams of boiled chicken, then 50 grams boiled mashed potato, then 1 teaspoon fried garlic we can take, then we'll add 1 green chili which is finely chopped, then we'll add 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum and spring onion 1 tablespoon, then we'll add 1 heaped tablespoon of mozzarella cheese, then we'll add processed cheese 1 tablespoon, then we'll add some chili flakes and oregano according to how much heat we need, then we'll add salt, black or white pepper powder, then we'll mix this mixture nicely together so that it forms into a ball. You have to mix it properly and sort of mash it nicely. Then with the help of hand we will take it all together and we will form it into a nice big ball. Then we will shape it into patty. We will put it on the surface, press it gently, and with the help of fingers we will make it into a nice round patty. Then in a bowl we will take 1 egg, crack it in, and then we will beat the egg with the help of spoon. This is for the coating, and on the other plate we will be taking breadcrumbs. So we will be doing a sort of double coating thing to our patty. We will dip our patty in egg wash nicely all together, all the sides. Then we will take it off, then put it in panko breadcrumb. Remember, panko breadcrumb is very important to get that nice flavor and texture. Put it all around and make sure all the edges and every part is covered with the panko breadcrumb. So this was our first coating. Now we will again put it in the egg batter to give it a second coating. Make sure breadcrumb is nicely coated everywhere, not even one part is left without a panko breadcrumb mix. Then again goes in egg batter, flip it and make sure everywhere it is coated nicely so that you get a very nice, strong, crispy batter outside and a soft, cheesy texture inside. Carefully take it out because it would have become very soft. Carefully take it out, then again it will go on panko breadcrumbs. Pat it nicely. Put breadcrumbs from the top. Make sure you don't use your other hand which you have used for putting the patty in the egg wash. Use the other hand. Now you can keep this for 1 hour in refrigerator, then you can directly take it out and deep fry in hot oil. Remember one thing, all the stuffing inside it is already cooked. We just need to cook the outer crispy layer. So we will do it on a very high flame and we make sure we keep splashing oil from the top and keep turning it after every 1 minute. We will be cooking this for around 3 to 4 minutes to get a very nice crispy coating outside. Keep splashing the oil from top so that it evenly cooks and get a very nice golden brown color. Take another pan, heat it nicely, put some butter on the bun and we will sort of toast the bun nicely so that we get a really nice crispy layer on the top and soft bun from the other side. Keep rotating. This is the texture we are looking for. Now the assembly part comes. We'll take bun, we'll put a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise. You can add little chopped gherkins in this mixture. Then we'll add lettuce or cabbage, whatever is available. Lettuce is more advisable, it wasn't available with me. Then you can add onions and tomatoes, which is cut into circular or into this shape like this. Then you will place the mega giant patty on top. Then again we will put this mayonnaise and ketchup mixture. We have to make the burger very moist, so we will be putting 3 layers of this. Then we'll add sliced cheese on the top of the hot patty. Then in a bowl we will grease the bowl with butter and break in one egg, and then we will microwave this bowl for around 130 seconds for 15 seconds batch. Then it will come somewhat like this. Then we'll put some black pepper or white pepper from the top. Then again mayonnaise and ketchup goes on the top. Then the top bun comes here. Our burger is ready to go. This is a very special, nice, juicy, creamy texture, cheesy from outside, crispy bun, crispy patty, and very moist burger. So it is a all the way delight for all kids and adults. They will just love it, and it is very easy to make at home with your all homely ingredients. So now it is time for a little taste, and amazing. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.